Run an entire hardware sprint week in Altium Develop. Hardware teams often borrow sprint language from software, but the daily reality still feels disconnected from the actual design. The board is in one place, the discussions are somewhere else, and the task tracker is still only one part of the story. That creates a strange situation where the sprint process exists, but it does not really understand hardware. In this video, the focus is on running an entire hardware sprint week inside Altium Develop. The point is not to imitate software more closely, the point is to make hardware planning and hardware reality finally line up. Most project trackers are generic by design, which sounds useful until you try to manage real hardware work. A card might say update stack up, review power section, confirm supplier alternative, or prepare manufacturing outputs, but the tracker cannot show the actual design context behind any of that. So engineers end up doing duplicate work. They update the tracker for management, then update the design environment for real work, and then explain the difference in meetings. By mid sprint, the planning board and the design state have already drifted apart. That drift creates status theater. People spend time reporting progress in a format that tool can understand instead of working in a system that actually understands the work itself. Inside Altium Develop, sprint style organization can stay connected to real hardware artifacts. Work items can be tied to designs, threads, documents, and reviews rather than existing as disconnected labels. During planning, the team can bring in tasks that reflect genuine engineering outcomes, not vague placeholders. During the week, engineers can move through the work while staying connected to the exact schematic context, layout discussion, or manufacturing issue that matters. Stand ups become more useful because the team can open the workspace and immediately see where each item stands in real context. If something is blocked, the evidence of that block is already there in the thread, task, or linked issue. If a review was completed, the review comments are visible instead of summarized from memory. The sprint board becomes less about administration and more about guiding real cooperation. This changes how different roles experience the sprint. Engineers spend less time maintaining a mirror version of the project in a generic tracker. Managers see a more truthful picture of momentum and risk. Cross-functional work such as supplier questions or mechanical coordination can sit inside the same flow instead of floating outside the sprint as hidden extra effort. Over time, the team gets better at estimating and prioritizing because the planning process is grounded in the true shape of hardware work, not in abstract task titles. To test this idea, choose one upcoming hardware sprint and run it with a smaller but more connected structure inside Altium Develop. Link each work item to a real design artifact, review, or discussion. Then use that workspace during stand ups instead of a generic board alone. The shift can reveal very quickly where your current planning process is losing reality.